Hi, today we are going to unbox the portable car camcorder, CarCam. It's very commonly sold on eBay, usually with a Chinese provenance. This is one such model. So we see the box, all sorts of fun chingerish on the box. Make sure you examine it carefully. So, not the best in presentation. It looks like there's the camera. It's in a bag. And the box also comes with USB, 12-volt cigarette lighter, and a windshield or a glass holder. It's a suction cup to hold the camera. And there's also an instruction manual. So there you have it. We've unboxed the CarCam, and we found the camera with protective covering over the screen, USB cable, car lighter adapter, windshield mount, instruction manual.